Let's conduct an experiment on bridge rectifier. So this is a easy method of connecting the diodes in a bridge format. So D1, D2, D3 and D4, and this is transformer. For this experiment we need components: 1N4007 diodes, 1 kilo ohm resistor and few connecting wires and one transformer and a breadboard. Anode and cathode of the diode we are connecting on the breadboard, and the second diode anode must be connected to the first diode cathode. So the above connection is over. Now she is doing the bottom connection, the third diode on two different points, and the fourth diode anode is connected to the cathode of the third diode. Circuit diagram: anode and anode must be shorted. Take a small wire and do the connection between anode and anode. Anode of the first diode and anode of the third diode. And cathode must be shorted. Cathode of the second diode and cathode of the fourth diode, they are shorted. And we should connect on the other point on the breadboard. Resistor on another 2 points on the breadboard. See the connection: one end of the resistor goes to anode terminal and other end of the resistor go to cathode terminal. So take two small wires. One end of the resistor connect to anode terminal. Here anode, and other end of the resistor we should connect to cathode terminal. Other end of resistor to cathode connection, where we have done, here we have done cathode. Okay, now connection is over. Now we will connect the transformer. This is a transformer. So don't use 12, this is 12 0 12 transformer. Don't use 12 and 12 points. 12 and 0 connection you do it. The first 12 point, this one, you connect it to here. Cathode and anode both are shorted. No, to this point you give. Okay. So another middle one, give it to the other anode and cathode connection. So this transformer connection is over. Transformer is connected to the power supply, AC 230 volts 50 Hz power supply, and this is the cable for CRO. We are using channel 1 for the CRO connection. Now all are on the output open side. Keep this in extreme left, extreme left, extreme left, extreme left. Now we will check the input. We should check input at these 2 points where cathode and anode connection. There we will keep the CRO. So we will check whether the input we are getting or not. Cathode and anode connection is here. One is here, another one is here. We'll check the output. This is a input signal what we are getting on the CRO. Now we will check the output across the register. We will keep the CRO terminals across the register. We'll check the output now. This is the output of full wave bridge rectifier in both the half cycle. While checking output, the positive of CRO and negative of CRO both should not touch each other. So they should be separate, and connect the CRO terminals across the register. We will get the output of full wave bridge rectifier. This is the output of full wave bridge rectifier. In both the half cycles we are getting the output. Make sure all these 3 terminals, secondary output terminals of transformer, they should not touch each other. So one wire you keep this side aside, and the middle one and the first one you use it. We tried with the first and last. The resistor is getting heat. That's why we used the center and the first one.